Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of 3-digit by 1-digit division. Our model problem is 895 divided by 5. And I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So step one, we are going to look for the number within the number, because we're not going to count how many groups of 5 go into 895. That will take hours, maybe years. What we're going to do is we're going to start out by dividing by the smallest number possible. And in some of these problems, that could mean 1-digit by 1-digit division. Only rule is that the number inside the square has to be bigger than the number outside the square. So for this problem, 8 is bigger than 5. We can actually start with 1-digit by 1-digit division. We're going to do 8 divided by 5. We're going to count how many groups of 5 go into 8, and there will be a remainder here. So I'm going to skip counting by 5. I'm going to count how many groups of 5 I can fit into the number 8. So here we go. 5, that's one group of 5. 10. That would be 2 groups, except we're already too far. We already passed the number 8. But I was able to get one group of 5 within 8, so 8 divided by 5 equals 1. Now there is a remainder. How do we find the remainder? We find the remainder by subtracting the closest, by subtracting the last number that we skip counted. So 5 was as close as we could get to the number 8 without going over, so that's what we have to subtract to find a remainder. So here we go. 8 minus 5 equals 3. So we have a remainder of 3. Next step, we're going to draw an arrow. We're going to bring down the 9. That 3 is going to become 39. So now I'm going to skip count again. I'm going to count by 5s, and I'm going to count how many groups of 5 go into 39. And again, there probably will be another remainder here. But here we go. I'm going to draw the skip counting above and then erase it. So 5, that's one group of 5. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, 4 groups of 5. 25, 5 groups of 5. 30, 6 groups of 5. 35, 7 groups of 5. If I count by 5 again, I'll be past 39. That would be too far. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 5 within the number 39. So 39 divided by 5 equals 7, with the remainder, of course. Now, how do we find the remainder? We subtract the last number that we skip counted from 39. So the closest we could get to 39 without going over 39 when counting by 5s was 35. So 35 is what we're going to subtract. 39 minus 35 equals 4. So we have a remainder of 4. Last step, again, we bring down the next number. We're going to bring down the 5. And that 4 becomes a 45. Just trying to position the camera so everybody can see. So now I got to count how many groups of 5 go into 45. Now I could erase this whole thing and start from scratch, but I already counted by 5s up to 35, so I'm just going to keep going from there. So far, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We have 7 groups of 5. 40. We now have 8 groups of 5. 45. we now have 9 groups of 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. As you're doing these problems, any skip counting you do, I would definitely recommend doing that on scrap paper, or either that or using a bigger whiteboard so it's on the side and away from the actual problem that you're breaking down. All right, so the last number we skip counted was 45. We landed right on 45. That means there is no remainder. 45 minus 45 equals 0. And we have our final answer. 895 divided by 5 equals 179. That is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. And if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.